Hi everyone, with Donna the Explorer, and welcome to my channel. I'm holding a scissor because this vlog will be a how do you call that vlog? Opening vlog? How do you call it? I ordered some vintage and used home decors from Instagram shops. Yeah, I received them today, so it will be a shop haul. So let's start. Let's begin. So they already. So this is the box. Well packed as well. And this one, two things here. So this is it. Let me show you from Fleurs and Looms Instagram. I hope that you can see it well. And this one is also from her, and it says, "Thank you." Why is my camera not working? Oh, that's a late reaction. So, and let's open this. Chalalan! Is it whole? Yes, it's not broken. It's a flower mirror, and that I can hang somewhere here. So it's very cute. It's very nice actually. Look. An item. So it's a candle holder, and it's very nice if you can see. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, I'm excited to use this one. So this is the second item. So you can see it's really shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess. So the second item is here. I remember ordering this one. Maybe it's a giveaway. Chadadang! And I have this one. Ah, I remember. Oh, this is from, and this is from Vec. Have 20% courting the full the bestelling. So at 20% discount. For the next order. Oh, and I got a very nice, I think it's a bracelet, but I'll open it. She's a nice bracelet. So thoughtful. Oh, this is also really nice. Thank you, Beck. I love it. And actually, the item I just ordered from her this time, I'm full of paper here. Oh, this is it. I'm excited to use this one. And this one also. And this one. Of course. Okay.
Cola.
Cola.
Yeah. Bembeling to the
Je varken, ik heb niet gemaakt. En je hebt wortels en je hebt ei. So hi everyone! So let's continue the vlog, and I'm wearing a black shirt today because it's another day. Yesterday the husband arrived, so as a responsible wife, I cooked our food for dinner, and so I haven't finished vlogging and editing the vlog. But today it's another day and I want to show you what I will do today. So by the way, today we'll continue the vlog. We will open 2 more packages. At the back, these are alabaster statues that I sold today that I will also be sending today. So let's do that together. And on Instagram, on my Instagram shop, I sell vintage items. And so this is my Instagram shop. It's Past Treasures Point, Past Point Treasures Point and L. I hope you can understand me. So these are the items I sell on Instagram. You can visit me there. I'll put the link also below how you will find me on Instagram if you're interested. A mess here downstairs because I have here some towels that I used to make sure that the alabaster statues are safe going downstairs. I have this mess here. I have this mess here. So that's the story of my life. The house is really messy because when I sell items, I have to pack them. So I need a lot of things like tapes and really a lot of things. So it will be sometimes be really messy here. So I have these new bubble wraps that I will be using to pack the items one by one, of course. And that I hope they arrive safe and sound. And yeah, that the customer will be happy, of course. So let's do that together. So I'll pack this one first. This one I'll check for like damages. So this is very good. Nothing special. I mean, no damages or what. So I finished everything, packing everything. I'll go to the post office and it's already very late, so I hope that I'll be there on time. So hi everyone, so I finished sending the packages today and now I'm back home. I cleaned downstairs, so my husband is cleaning upstairs now, so if you hear some noise, that's him doing some vacuum. We just finished eating. We ate pasta and we just ordered some food because we are so busy. And like what I promised, I still have 2 packages here that we will open together. Ooh. Sounds okay, so the first package is almost open and I'm excited to see what's inside. So I've got a thank you card and hoi Donna, bedankt voor je aankoop. Superleuk, heel veel plezier ermee en ik zie graag foto's tegemoet. Hahaha. Liefst, Mariama, vintage vendor. So this is the card from Mariama. Super lief van haar. She's very nice. It's the first time I ordered from her. Safe. Oh, it's kapot. Het is kapot. So this is it. Ito is kapot. Ow. Whoa. And this is the second one. These are actually bookends. So that can really happen that, yeah, some things are broken. So I'll have to tell her. But by the way, it's very nice. So I'm still very happy that I got this. And that's my husband at the back, putting the vacuum cleaner to its place. And so actually it's meant to be like this. You put it like this and then books here. And then this is at the end. So I miss one. But I'm still very happy. And I hope that the other items are whole. So this is it. And this one. Okay. So these are old, how do you call that? Apothekers. Medicine bottles. So like these are vintage, I think, and these are from Belgium. Like they put medicine here before, like I thought something like that, and it's red, and it's not for me. I'm giving it to my mother-in-law. It's very special. And I have the second package. Let's see. So the second box is this one, and I got this one. It's a vintage, I think. Yeah, I think these are vintage or not. I don't know. I'm not sure. They're very pretty, like this. Hoy Donna, please hear me ko. Unique bits and pieces. This look, here's the look, and I have this one as well. Do you know what this is? This is it. So I bought it recently. This is my recent buy. So those are the things I actually bought this week. So everyone, I have to clean this mess that I made just now. So you see? That's how unboxing works. And not that, luckily I don't have to unbox a lot. I want to unbox a lot of things. But of course, that's not possible. That means that you have to also buy a lot of things. So hi everyone! Good morning. It's the 9th of October. It's already been like 2 weeks the last time I vlogged. I had a problem uploading the vlog to my channel and editing it. So I had to wait longer than I expected before I can upload this vlog online. So I hope that this vlog will be uploaded today, the 9th of October. So I'll quickly edit it, and yeah, I hope that it will be uploaded today. So yesterday I got 2 packages and using them. Let's eat it together. Yummy. I have here the first package and the second one here. Pink bag from Zara, and it's from Vinted, by the way. So it's pink, very, very pink. Okay, so I have this one. I think these are the saucers for the cups and saucer. Else my set won't be complete. Yeah, gray, more like cream gray.
a lot of mess. Paper, old newspaper, of course. But that's very important to keep the package safe. I hope that my camera will also be safe. Waarom? Oh, zit ik ja te bashen? Je ziet me ook net te bashen.
Waarin dan?
Gewoon net met mijn Engels. He's bashing with the English. So this is the set. Very simple. So cute, look. So nice. Coffee, please. No, I don't drink coffee. So this is the first set. And then, thank you, Beck. So I'm not sure anymore how much I paid, but I got 20% discount from Beck. So that's all. So I think that's all for today. That's our vlog for today. I'll show you one more time the cups and the saucer for Donna's kitchen. For Donna and Mark's kitchen. So thanks, Kat, for lekker for koffie drinken. Toch? It's numbered and I don't know what brand is it from. It's made in Poland. And it's numbered. I know it's vintage, but further I don't have any ideas. I love the color, that's why I bought it. So very simple, very minimal, very clean, very chic. So thank you everyone for watching this vlog, and I hope that you enjoyed opening some packages with me, and that you all stay healthy and happy. So bye bye. Thank you.